The Ecovacs X9 Pro Omni is everywhere right now. Ads, YouTube reviews, everyone claiming it's the robot vacuum of the year. At $1,200, it better be life-changing, but after digging through hundreds of real customer experiences and professional reviews, I found something Ecovacs definitely doesn't want you to know. Let's see if this expensive robot is worth your hard-earned money or not. Look at this promises 16,600 PS suction power Osmo roller mopping at 220 RPM at zero tangle technology. That poultry never gets clogged with hairs. The base station washes its own mops with 63 degrees Celsius hot water and empties itself for up to 150 days. On paper, it sounds like the perfect cleaning companion. Ecovacs also wins second rank from Vacuum Wars. Best overall, best mop, best for carpets, basically everything with credentials like that. You would expect perfection, right? Well, let's dig deeper. Here is where things get more interesting. Real customers paints a very different picture. One buyer road navigation is erratic. It gets lost constantly and fails to return to base correctly. Even more shocking, Vacuum was the same site that give it all those awards that are published a program report. They found navigation glitches so severe they almost released an emergency video apologizing for recommending it. That's not exactly confidence aspiring for a $1,200 purchase. The pattern is clear. Customers love the cleaning power when it works, but here dealing with app crashes, navigation failures, and those mysterious mopping streaks it leaves behind. One reviewer summed it up correctly: great cleaner, terrible execution. And nobody talk about the ongoing cost. Those dust bags, $47 for 6-pack, and you'll need them every 2 to 3 months. Cleaning kit around $139 and need replacing quarterly. The cleaning solution isn't cheap either. Suddenly your $1,200 robot becomes a $1,400 annual commitment. Professional reviewers constantly praise the cleaning performance, but criticize the reliability. The consequences: excellent hardware let down by frustrating software and navigation issues. It's like buying a Ferrari with a broken GPS. Amazing when it works, infuriating when it doesn't. For this same money, you could get a Roblox or Dream instead, with better navigation and fewer headaches. The X9 Pro has the most powerful suction in its class, but power means nothing if the robot can't navigate your home reliably. Here is the truth. If you have simple home layout and don't mind troubleshooting occasional navigation hiccups, the cleaning performance is generally impressive. But if you want a set it and forget it experience for a $1,200, this isn't it. The X9 Pro is for people who love tinkering with tech, not those who just want clean floors without drama. In the end, let me know, have you ever dealt with a high-end gadget that promised the world but deliver headaches? Drop your tech disappointment stories below and subscribe for more honest reviews.